2015 Chevrolet Silverado. We got a fellow YouTuber we're helping out here today. I'm going to put his name right here because I can't pronounce it. Go check his channel out. He's a good guy. I like it. But anyhow, we're going to put brakes on it so y'all come in and check us out. Okay, we're just doing a simple brake job on this. We're going to start out by taking our caliper off. We've got two 19mm bolts back here. We got the brake loose. Once you get these broke loose, you just screw them right on out with your old phalanges there. Just like that. Just like that. There's your 19s. I'm sorry, 19s. We're going to take a little bit of slack off of this. Just like so. All right, once you get that broke loose, you just pop the caliper right on off, just like so. Now, this thing was making a little skeek, skeek, skeek sound. Let me show y'all what that was. Look at that. Squealer tab. He has got every bit of mileage you're going to get out of a brake pad. Check this out. There's your new pad. And look at the difference in thickness. Big difference, isn't it? Yeah, she needed some pads for sure. She needed some pads bad. She will wore right on down. These pads just pop right on out like so. Pop these little wear guides out. We're going to take this whole caliper bracket off too so we can polish on the where these go and make sure that we got good lubrication on those. So I'll show you how to get that off. They're 18s, but I'm just going to go and tell y'all they are tight. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. They are way tighter than you want to mess with. That's why I get the old long handle mammer jammer in there. You get them broke loose, I won't bother y'all with me running these out. And I'll show y'all what the caliper bracket looks like when we get it off. There you go. All right, after you get them out, they got no tight of lock on them. And I always make sure that these are lubricated really good. You can normally pop them right out. Plenty of lubrication on there. Moves very free, as you can tell. That's the life of your brakes, fellas. Right there. Get that? All right, then I'm going to take this caliper bracket where these little guide plates set. And I always like taking the wire brush on them, cleaning them out good. That's the main reason I took it off. You don't have to take this off, but it's just one of my preferences. I like doing. Y'all can put all the hate comments down below because YouTube don't matter what kind of comment it is. They like activity down there. So bleep bloop down there all the negative hate comment that y'all want to. We're gonna pop this back up there now. She's pretty much ready to go, and we're gonna put those pieces on there. Actually, I'll put them pieces on there first. Comes with new guide plates. Pretty, ain't they? We always center them up there. And it should pop right down in place. But it's not going to. I should have done a test run off camera so I didn't look like an idiot, but I didn't. It's kind of hard to cover up not being an idiot when you are an idiot. So, but anyhow, we're going to put these guide plates on there. Just like so. I always go back and look at it and make sure that you don't have no gap between your guide plate and the caliper bracket there, because what will happen is the pads will be tough going in. But see, that one's pushed up a little bit. We'll get it down in. So now she's going back on there. It sure does. All right, now we're trying to push this old caliper back. Should go back in there. It takes a little time. Sometimes take a big pair of pliers, channel locks, vice grips. Like I said, if y'all don't like the way I'm doing this, you can put the hate comments down below. That's fine too. All right, now we got both of them pushed back. Now they look pretty good, I'm gonna be honest with you. But I always go in here. Y'all have seen me do this before, I'm sure. And just make sure that there's no air trap behind it. You just pick it up off that piston a little bit, and if there's any air trap back there, it'll kind of push back in there. Kind of like burping old Tupperware containers that you put in the refrigerator with your leftover tuna fish sandwich. So we're gonna put it up in here just like so. Now she's ready to go back on. We're gonna put the squealer tab with the big flat piece goes on the inside, just like so. This pad here goes on the outside, just like so. Look at that, perfect. Then this slides right over top. Make sure your little sliders are pushed out of the way, just like so. Then take your two 19 millimeters. Might have to jiggle it around a little bit. And I'll show you a little test that I do after I finish. After I get those run up all the way, I always make sure that the caliper slides back and forth like that. That way you know nothing's in a bind. And make sure, and I mean make sure, that once you finish doing this and you set this thing down on the ground, you put your tires back on and you torque the lugs and you get ready to back it out of your shop, or back it anywhere for that matter, pump those brakes before you put it in gear. Ask me why I know. You will back a truck faster than gas through a funnel and eggs through a hen. I'm telling you what, it will back up and you'll be pumping them brakes and she won't be stopping. Because the first couple pedal throws, what happens is you're taking up this slack. So make sure you pump the brakes, fellas. I cannot stress that enough. Make sure that you pump the brakes. So, with that being said, you can stick a fork in this one. She's done. So, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for liking, commenting, subscribing. Go to this fella's channel down here. Like, comment, subscribe on some of his videos. He's a good guy. It's his truck. Thank you all for watching. Remember, till next time, if she's giving trouble, she's going to the bag.